Hello and assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be making KFC style fried chicken. Let's see how is it made. Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Firstly, you are going to take 1 kg chicken and you are going to add 1 cup buttermilk. And you will cover the chicken and let it soak for 1 hour. Then you will take out the chicken and put it in a separate bowl. Now you are going to add these ingredients to the chicken. Half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon tikka powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon cumin seed or zira powder, half teaspoon white pepper powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and salt according to taste. You're going to add all these ingredients and mix well. Now you're going to coat the chicken in all-purpose flour. Then you will dip it in ice cold water. And then you will again coat it in all-purpose flour. Then preheat a pan and add oil. And then you will fry the chicken until its color turns golden brown. Now your KFC style fried chicken is ready, and I hope all of you will like the recipe once you make it at your home. Don't forget to give this video a like, share this video with your family and friends, share this channel also, and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video from 5 in Kitchen. And as always, take care. Allah Hafiz.